You like Joey?
Mm-hmm. He's a good boy.
Uh-oh.
Looks like he's rough. Take a picture of him.
Okay. Say cheese, Joey. Say cheese.
He doesn't know what you're saying. He's busy playing on that ball. Here, Joe.
Rebecca, how old are you?
4.
You're 4 years old?
I just had a book.
You just had a what?
Birthday.
Oh, okay. Where's your cousin Viana?
Sleeping in the crib.
Go check to make sure she's asleep and tell me if she is.
Okay. Joy, stay there. Yep, she's still asleep.
Are you sure?
Yep. I saw her eyes was blinked shut.
Okay, let's go look. Go show me where she is.
Yep. Right there.
Oh, yeah. Do you like your cousin Viana?
He's so good.
She is.
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Oh, look at Joey. Rebecca, you're not scared of Joey anymore, huh? Since when?
Just when I was a baby, I was. Because I thought he was going to bite me.
Why did you think that?
Because I was just a little baby and I was running away. That's what he was chasing me.
Oh.
And I climbed up to Mama.
Where did your mom go?
Doctor,
With who?
Lily and Joel.
Oh, how come?
Because Lily had to get 1 shot.
Yeah.
And Joel had to get 3.
Really?
Yes.
And how come you didn't need a shot?
I already got 4 shots.
Are you sure? Don't climb on the couches like that. You know we don't put the feet on the couch.
I know I grab them like this.
Okay.
I sit on the arms sometimes.
Okie dokie, Stokey.
Whoa.
Don't fall down.
Yeah.